How to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. First of all, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. Now, once you're here, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Once you're on your profile page, again head towards the top right and tap on the three-line icon. So once you're on settings and activity page, scroll down a bit and then tap on your activity. Now under your activity, you have to scroll down and there you will have an option as recent searches. Tap on it and here you can view all of your history on your searches on your account. Now if you want to remove some specific searches, you can tap on the cross icon next to that, or if you want to remove all of the searches, tap on clear all and then tap on clear all. And with that, all your search suggestions on Instagram will be deleted when typing. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.